another episode of Sneaker Notes. And the first thing I want to know is, how did y'all do? The Flint 13s re-released today for the first time since 2010. We got the 3M on it. I want to know, how did y'all do this morning? Thumbs up if y'all hit. Sad face if y'all didn't. But if you didn't, don't worry. Trust me, since there's not enough live stores out right now, they will restock all during the week, just like the Fire Reds, just like the Jordan 6 DMPs. So just stay patient. Trust me, they will restock. And we got that out the way. This video ain't about the Jordan 13 Flints. This video is about the Nike SB Dunk Travis Scotts. As we know, Travis been dropping fire, man. Fire. I was lucky enough to own the Jordan 6 Travises, the Jordan 1 High Travises, and the Jordan 4 Travises. But in my opinion, these Travis Scott Dunks is a little more special than those are. As we know, Travis dropped the 270s this week. I wasn't hyping them. I don't like any Air Max past 97. So the 270s just wasn't a sneaker I like. I know the hype around it is super crazy because it's Travis. But me, I like what I like, and I just didn't like them. I did enter a couple raffles though, but I didn't win anyway, so that doesn't matter. But this video is about the Travis Scott Dunk. Super clean shoe, man. One of my favorite Travis Scott collections. As y'all know, I did an early review on the Travis Scott Air Force Ones. I wound up not keeping them. It was like too much for me. The thing on the top that zipped down over the shoestring, it just was a lot for me. This sneaker has a lot going on, but the way it's put together, it fits perfect. So we're going to get into the review of the Travis Scott Dunks. But before we do that, you know what we do as Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the video where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you're rocking when you caught on foot. I got the red Supreme hat, Scarface Supreme collab shirt. So it's only right I went with one of my favorites. Today I got on the Jordan 1 red toe, bread toe. You get confused with all these red, black, and white Jordan 1s, gym red, track red, bread. But today I got on the red toes, the bread toes. One of my favorite sneakers, just like the Royal Jordan 1s. I wear these a lot. You know, the solid color. If you want to put on red, you put on the bread toes. You want to put on blue, you put on the Royals. So, dope sneaker. In that comment section below, let me know what you got on foot when you caught this video. And without further ado, hit the intro. Unboxing time. Boom. With the resurgence of the Nike SB sneaker, you're going to see a lot of these lifesaver color boxes, man. A lot of them. The Chunky Dunkies dropped last week. I'm waiting for one more raffle. If I don't win there, I may pay that resale, guys. In that comment section below, let me know if you was able to cop those for retail. Let me know if you're looking to buy them for resale. I don't want to be the only one out here spending $1,700. But the Travis Scott Dunks come in your Nike SB box. On his website, when they drop, those came with a different box, like a special kind of box. And those sneakers are going maybe $300-400 more than the original box. Right now, time of taping, resale for these Travis Scotts are like $1,500, $1,600. The special box is like $1,800, $1,900. Open the SB lid, and this is where the magic happens. You have your black bandana print tissue, which I think is super dope, man. Y'all know I'm a big fan of presentation. You flip that open, you have another black, you flip that open, and there go your regular white SB tissue paper. And here we go, man. So let's start with the right shoe. As you can see, like I told y'all earlier, there's a lot going on with this sneaker, but it is put together perfect, in my opinion. So let's start with the obvious. Comes with two different shoestrings. One is like a pale pink, light purplish, and the other one is either like a black or dark navy blue, but I think it's black. It comes in your cactus straw, like new shoestrings, which I think is dope. We never really seen this before. It really complements the sneaker. It's like a thick rope. Right, starting at the toe box. The toe box is like a soft nubuck. Listen to that. Shh. Soft nubuck on your toe box. Wrapped around the toes is your bandana print. The same bandana print you see on the tissue paper. That bandana print looks like a jean material. Denim, to be exact, a denim material. And that comes all the way around the shoe, all the way around the back to the other side. After the bandana print, you see like a floral print, sort of like Burberry. Now you would think these can't mesh, but the way these are meshed with the colors is super dope. Your swoosh right there is the same material as the toe box, it's just black. Come around the back here, bandana print like I told y'all, more of the khaki color, and then your Nike SB logo at the top. Now when you flip inside the sneaker, that's where you have that pale pink swoosh. In my opinion only, I wish that pale pink swoosh was on this side, but I still like it. Same inside as the outside, nothing changed but the pale pink swoosh. Your tongue, of course, has the staple thick Nike SB tongue, and the tongue reads Cactus Jack. Around the sides of the top of the sneaker, you see the Cactus Jack Records logo. Now, as you can remember, those were actually on the Air Force Ones also. The inside has the same bandana print, but this time it's the same color overall of the shoe. And it reads Nike SB. What's dope about this shoe, besides just the design, is that this bandana actually comes off. And you know, if you're a huge skateboarder, you're going to fall, you're going to trip. This is going to rip off. And when it rips off, it gives you a design like this. So as you can see, as it comes off, that design, this sneaker turns into that, which I think is super dope, man. Bottom of your shoes is your regular Nike SB / Uptown look. This one is in that cream brown colorway all the way through. I mean, no secret pockets like the Jordan 6s or the Jordan 1s. You know what I mean? No hang tag like the Jordan 4s. But this sneaker should be considered up there with the best of them. I already told you the resale on this sneaker is going damn near $1,500. And I don't want to say it's only because it's Travis. It's a mix of Nike SB being back. It first started with the off-white SBs. Those dropped. Bring the hype back for SBs. Then they came back with the Viotex, and then they came back with the lime green ones that came out last week. Nike SB is back, man. And what I really like about Nike SB being back is that these sneakers go for $100, $110, $120, very affordable if we could get our hands on them. That's the problem. So this is the review on the Travis Scott Dunks. I'm keeping mine. I don't care if resale go to $2,500. I really like this sneaker. In that comment section below, let me know if you own these. Let me know if you're looking to maybe pay that resale value like I am on that Chunky Dunkies, man. I hope everybody got their Jordan 13s today. If not, be patient. Trust me. And when you cop them, say, Sneaker Notes told me to be patient. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.